So before we start, if you have any medical condition, consult with your doctor before you do any of these exercises. If you have surgery, injury on your neck or shoulders, don't follow these exercises without consulting with your doctors. We talked about the main principles of the Bates method, the movement and relaxation. So let's stay on movement and let's pay attention to how we look. A lot of people are spending too much time on their phones, so their head is tilted, the neck gets compromised and put too much pressure on it. And same thing happens when you spend too much time in front of your screen. Imagine that if you're typing and you're working all the time, you have your neck tilted and you're trying to push your head up, and this does affect our vision. If you remember last time we talked about the swings, so how can we release the neck and the shoulders, just drop everything. When we talked about palming, we stressed that we need to drop the shoulders. So for a lot of people, keeping this bad posture will cause more strain on their neck and their vision will just get worse. So the first exercise I will share with you, it comes from the Qigong and Tai Chi practices. These practices came from China, and what they do is actually they play with energy. They move their hands and their body according to certain principles to work with the energy flow. The first exercise is releasing the neck. So let's do it together. If you follow me, I'll release my neck. Posture is straight, so my back is straight. I will lift my hands up and then tilt them. And as I'm bringing my hands towards my chin, you will imagine that you're pushing your chin a little to the back, and then you flip your hands and go forward. As you're going forward, look down at your hands as they're going down. Let's do one more round. You go up and you flip hands, and then you push the chin back, and then you follow with your eyes, the hands going forward and then going down. This helps release some tension in your neck. This was the first exercise. The second exercise is a derivative of this. So this is how it goes. So you go up again, but as you're going down, only the right hand will go as if you are resting it on a table, and you keep your eyes following the palm of the other hand, and you go about halfway. Don't force your neck to go all the way. So let's do it again. We go up again with the arms, and then one arm, which is the right, will be going down as if you're resting it on a table, and you look at the palm of the left hand. You follow with your eyes. Don't go all the way to the left, just go as much as comfortable, and then go back to the middle, and then switch hands. So the left as if it is resting on a table. We're looking at the palm of the right hand, and we're going to the right. So the second turn, try to tilt a little more. So we're going to the left a little more, about 70%, and then right 70%. Remember to keep the back straight. And then now with the third time, I go a little more, and then the other side as well. You can do this 5-6 times. I like to do it about 5 times. A lot of people wake up with very sore neck to begin with, so they spend the rest of the day forcing the neck to stay in one position. Here's one quick exercise you can do to help releasing some tension on your neck. You can massage your ear and try to massage it as if it is growing outward. Don't pull too much, but try to go outward. So going to the upper position, and then to the left lower position, and then all the way to the lower. And do this with the other ear as well. A lot of people will feel an instant relief after they do these exercises. The other exercise is from the Qigong as well. So stay tall with your back straight, and then try to put a little more pressure. Just try to twist your arms inward, twisting inward like that, okay? With the elbows just comfortable, and then try to massage the neck by going to the right, and then go to the middle point, and then go to the left side. And as you are rotating the neck, keep some tension on your arms, so you are twisting the arms inward. This helps release some tension on those side muscles of the neck. So another exercise you can do is you can put your hands on the knees and keep it straight back, and then massage the neck by going to the left and the right. And as you're doing that, if you feel that the area is tense, just stay on that position for a little longer. Then go to the right and go to the other side and stay for another second or two. So these exercises, as you can tell, will relieve the tension on the neck, so you can keep your neck free all the time. Another point I want to mention today is the posture. Even if you release those muscles, if you go back to the position at the computer desk or the smartphone and tilt the neck, this will just make your vision worse, and it puts more pressure on your neck, and you'll be complaining about neck pain for the rest of your life. So a very good posture correction is always pay attention how the shoulders are positioned. Don't crumple your shoulders, just keep him straight back. Okay, so another idea is, if you're working on a computer, raise your screen a little, about eye level, so you don't have to keep staring at the screen below eye level. Keep the screen eye level so you can work on your computer while your shoulders are relaxed, posture is correct, and you're looking directly to the screen. Smartphones. Actually, there's no quick fix for this. The best thing you can do is minimize the time you spend on your phone and try to pay attention to how your neck is located. So a lot of people will even have tilted neck as they're working on their phone. Unfortunately, this is the modern lifestyle that we live in, and we have to work with it. I suggest that you do these exercises daily to release the neck. So these exercises are very helpful to release the tension on the neck. Dr. Bates did not talk about them, but I found these on my own as a supplement to releasing tension on the neck. If it was your first time to watch my video series, you can go back to any of these videos and watch the rest of the playlist.